Hello family, welcome to another video. I'm Harrison and this is Car Connect Mombasa. Today we have Toyota Hiace. And for beginners, in case you are looking for Toyota Hiace, there's only two options to go about it. You can go for the 7L or 9L. Those are the body configuration. This one is 9L, which is the long chassis. Still there is 7L, which is the short chassis, mostly carries around 14 passengers. This one is the 7L, which is the long chassis. So allow me to take you through this one so that you can see what it has to offer. This one is 2018 model, 2700cc petrol variant, and it is quite huge vehicle. Now this one is the high roof. Still, if you're looking for 7L, you can go for normal roof. The reason why there is a high roof is that a lot of people prefer comfort, luxury, and space, and this is the reason why Toyota Hiace 9L high roof really exists. Basically, this is how it looks from the front. Push to start button. The mileage on this one is 65,000 kilometers. Infotainment screen right there. Leather seats. One thing I have to appreciate about the 9L is that it is very spacious. This one is automatic transmission. Still, you can get the manual transmission. I always tell people, in case you are looking for Toyota Hiace, there's number indicated on the screen. You can just get in touch. And there is quite a wide variety of Toyota Hiace, 7L, 9L, which are available. It's very good so that I will be sharing some options for you to see. So allow me to show you the interior. This is how it looks like from the passenger seat. So right in front, there is a capacity of carrying around two people comfortably. It comes with a storage compartment. Basically, this is a vehicle which is built for comfort. Who are the target target market of for Toyota Hiace? Maybe if you run an hotel, you do airport transfers. You are corporate which you're looking for staff van, church. There's quite a wide variety. Hotels still buy these kind of vehicles, and the high roof is that it offers space. As I told you, these are vehicles which are designed for comfort and the space. It comes with TV screen there. It comes with the AC. AC on this vehicle is quite a lot. These events are quite a lot on this vehicle, meaning these are vehicles which is designed for comfort. It comes with the window curtains. So for the seats, you can customize to what you prefer. You can add mosses or reduce depending with what you're looking for. This one is the side profile. It is quite a long vehicle, it's quite a taller. So you can comfortably walk inside this vehicle. As we continue, the asking price for this vehicle is around 5.8 million Kenya shillings. 5.8 million. And still, there is option for your purchase. You pay a deposit of 50%. You clear the balance in up to 2 years, which is quite an amazing deal. This is the side profile. You realize it's quite a huge vehicle. In case we are looking for something for you for business or for personal use, this is it. As I had said, this one is 2700cc petrol engine, and petrol engine are known to be reliable, very reliable. They are cheap to maintain. So this is about the good deal. 5.8 million, you get yourself this iRoof Toyota Hiace 9L. Automatic transmission 2700cc. My number is on the screen. In case we are looking for Toyota Hiace 7L 9L, you can just reach me on 07418373. Both cash hire purchase and through asset financing. By asset financing, I mean through SACCO, bank, or microfinance.